Handstand heel pulls to freestanding. Handstand heel pulls are a great exercise for teaching balance, working on alignment, and strengthening the fingers, wrists, and forearms. To perform this exercise, I recommend using a stick as a tool for improving alignment. Place the hands on the floor one hand width away from the wall. Place the stick on the floor against the back of the wrists. Kick up the handstand with your back to the wall. As you kick up, you want to push the head between the arms and have the eyes stacked vertically above the stick. This will help to improve the alignment of the handstand, as it will open the shoulder angle to be 180 degrees of shoulder flexion. Next, set a strong hollow body shape by pushing the heels of the feet together, locking the knees by contracting the quads, setting a strong posterior pelvic tilt by tucking your tailbone between your legs and contracting the glutes while sucking the belly button in towards the spine. It is crucial to maintain a tight hollow body shape so that the movement in the wrists can pull the heels off the wall. When performing the heel pulls, the movement must come from the wrists and fingers. Actively push the fingers into the floor to pull the heels off the wall. Do not push off the wall with the feet or perform the worm to lift the heels away from the wall. Maintain a tight hollow body at all times and use the hands to do the work. You want to maintain tension in the whole body so that the force of the hands pushing into the floor can transfer through the body and lift the heels off the wall. As the feet float off the wall, you will feel the weight move under the hands. Try to keep the weight in the middle of the hands and not towards the palms. Actively push down into the floor to keep the shoulders elevated and to control the balance. Hold the freestanding handstand for the prescribed amount of time and then allow the heels to move back to the wall. Continue to perform the prescribed number of repetitions and freestanding holds before coming off the wall.